Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our YouTube channel Medical Online. Dr. SK here, and in this video I'll be showing the parts of disposable syringe. Okay, in this video I'll be showing you the different parts of the disposable syringe. It's available in different sizes, and you can see over here the calibration, and it is marked up to 10. It means it is 10 ml. You can see it over here. Now I will be showing you different parts of the disposable syringe. Right, first of all we will start it from here. Right, this is the plunger. This part is called plunger. You can see it, this is called plunger, and this is the flat end of the plunger. Right, and this, the black thing, is, some people call it the plunger tip, but the one of the name is piston. You can see it over here, the black part, it is called piston. Now coming towards this very part of the disposable syringe, this is called as barrel, as it is calibrated, so you can see, and it is called calibrated barrel. Right, and let me show you another thing, and this one is called looser lock. You can see it over here, this is called the looser lock. Now moving towards the needle, let me show it. Okay, this part of the needle is called needle hub, right? And this is the needle, and the sharp part of the needle is called bevel, right? Okay, now I'll put it again back, and we'll repeat for you people. So this part is called plunger tip, plunger piston, barrel, which is calibrated, so you can call it as calibrated barrel, looser lock, right? And now parts of the needle hub, needle, bevel, right? And this is the needle cap. Okay, now whenever you are using it like that, always be focused not to prick yourself, and try to use it like this, holding this and putting it like this, so it can prevent breaking of yourself. So this is different parts of this disposable syringe, and you can understand, and I hope that you got my point, what I was showing about. And thank you so much for this very video. See you in the next. Thank you.